Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all in good health. Last class we discussed about a straight line. What is a straight line? These examples also we saw in the last class. What do you mean by straight line? Straight line is a point. A and B are 2 points. When these points are joined with the help of ruler, a straight line is formed. This is a straight line. Take page number 2 and write the help of edge of a notebook. Draw a straight line. Take your book and draw one straight line. Starting point is A, ending point is B. With the help of the straight edge wooden piece, draw a picture like this containing straight lines. Take the wooden piece and draw same like this. Draw a picture comprising of straight lines by using ruler. Here, draw one straight line, A and B. Join these dots by free hand and obtain straight lines. RS one straight line, EF again one slanting line, GH is again one slanting line. Join the dots with the straight lines by free hand. Join these dots everything and complete this picture. We know about the types of straight lines. One is horizontal line, vertical line, then slanting line. Then here we have a straight lines. Count the straight line and write here. How many straight lines are there? 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3 straight lines. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2. Last class we discussed about these straight lines. Today we will see this second main, page number 7. Write English capital letters which have two straight lines. Here see G have two straight lines. 1, 2. L have two straight lines. R have two straight lines. T have two straight lines. And V, X, Y. Write the English capital letter which do not have a straight line. C have no straight line. O have no straight line. Q is also no straight line. S is also no straight line. Mark tick to show true or false. Letter A has 3 straight lines. True or false? Yes, letter A has 3 straight lines. 1, 2, 3. Letter M has 3 straight lines. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4 straight line. So the statement is false. Letter R has 2 straight lines. Yes, 1, 2. Is it true? Search and mark the odd figure in the given group. Which is the odd figure? Rectangle, square, triangle. Circle is the odd one. Tick here. See second. This is rectangle, rectangle, square. This is circle with square. Tick this odd one. Join the dots with straight line, free hand and draw the pictures of your own imagination. Using these dots, using the straight line, in your free hand you draw any picture. Draw straight lines. Join the dots with straight lines. This is horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. You know, already we discussed about this type of straight line. Join the dots with a ruler according to serial number. Here they are giving some serial number. Join Using your pencil, joining the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can get one house. The line from 14 to 15 is horizontal line. Where is 14, 15? Yes, here. 14, 15, which is nothing but horizontal line. The line from 11 to 12 is which line? 11 to 12. What type of this line? This line is vertical line. The line from 9 to 10, which is slanting line. This is horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. Count and write the number of lines. This we already discussed in last class. Here horizontal lines how many? 1, 2. Vertical lines 1, 2. Slanting line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 slanting line. Complete the line by joining the dots to get two similar shapes. Join this dot, you get horizontal line. Join this dot, you get vertical line. Join the dots, you get slanting line. Use ruler to join the dots in the figure below. Take your ruler and join this dot. You can get this figure. This dot also you join using your scale. This you do yourself. In this, which is odd one, you have to tick. Which is the odd things you have to tick. This activity you do yourself. Fill in the blanks with correct answers. Example, shape, letter A. Here, how many horizontal line? One horizontal line. No vertical line, so 0. Slanting line, 1, 2 slanting line. Children, do this yourself. Now we already discussed about curved line. This is straight line. A piece of string held tight will form a straight line. A piece of string held loose will form a curved line. This is called a curved line. Observe this picture with lines. This is straight line. This is curved line. Curved line. This is curved line. Join the dots with curved or straight line and make your own design. Using these dots, you do your own design. Draw some more picture with curved line and straight line. Using a straight line or curved line, you draw some picture here. Write the number of straight line and curved lines in the following picture. In this figure, how many straight lines are there? 1 straight lines. How many curved lines are there? 1, 2. 2 curved lines. In this picture, how many straight lines are there? 1, 2. Curved line 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 curved line. This picture, any straight lines are there? No. So 0. How many curved lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 curved line. In this picture, how many straight lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 straight line. How many curved lines are there? 1, 2, 3. Last class we did third main. We started the third main. Now we will continue with the third main. Write the English capital letters which have two straight lines. G, L, R, T, V, X, Y. Write the English capital letter which do not have straight lines. C do not have straight line. O, Q, S. Mark tick or wrong. Letter A has 3 straight lines. Yes. Letter M has 3 straight lines. Wrong. Letter R has 2 straight lines. Yes. Write number and letter having straight line. Number having straight line is 1, 4, 7. Letter having straight line A, E, F, H, I, K, L, N, M, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Write the numbers and letters having curved lines. 3 which have only curved lines. 6, 8, 0. Letters C, O, S, U. Write the number of straight lines in the following. I have already explained about this. So, copy this into your notebook. Next class we will learn about slides and roles. Thank you for joining this class. Thank you, children.